Time to get our day started.
In order to better enjoy our time at the Alamo, we decided to use the Victory or Death audio tour. The tour altogether takes about 45 minutes to listen to, and it helps you pace out your time as you walk through the Alamo. It only costs $10 a person. We highly recommend that you do this tour only because it gives you incredible historical facts that even we didn't know before we showed up.
In the San Antonio de Bayard, because he was the general in charge of the Alamo, he surrendered the Alamo to the rebels. And he knew that this area right here was the weakest point. That's why, but when he was going to the Rio Grande Valley, he's the one who sent a message to Santa Anna telling him that the revolution had already started. And that's when Santa Anna decided to get 6,000 men and start heading to the region to squash the revolution. 36. The two rallying cries that motivated his men to defeat Santa Anna and only lose 9 men. Remember the Alamo and remember Goliad. The Texas Republic was born April 21st, 1836. Thank you for visiting.
next stop after the Alamo was the historic market square, or El Mercado. There are over 100 locally owned shops, restaurants, and other cool places that you can visit at this market. The bakery was awesome. We're about to head back to the hotel and eat some of our sweets. It's a little bit hot, so we're gonna go back and take a break because we're melting. Yep. So it's awesome time now. Some sort of a sugar cookie with icing, I don't know.
Number 2, we're going to need a lot of very low bridges. Number 3, please keep the conversations down to a minimum. That way everybody can hear what I'm saying. Otherwise, I'll give you the microphone and you can do the tour. Deal? Deal. Now, I do tell a really bad joke as we go along. So folks, please feel free to hold your applause to the other tour. That way, you can hear all the bad jokes. Deal? Deal. Everybody on the left side of the boat, the building you're looking at, built 1893. The building started off as the St. Mary's School for Boys. Then it became the St. Mary's Law School. 1968, Omni purchased the building. They turned that into a hotel, named the hotel Le Mancion del Rio. Edge of the bottom of the bridge. Y'all are going to look straight up to the left of the boat. Y'all can see it looks like a orange wall. So everybody, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look. On the right side of my boat is going to be a restaurant called Casa Rio. That's my boat. Casa Rio opened 1946. Casa Rio was the first restaurant on the river level. Take a look on the right of the boat, y'all. You're going to see Casa Rio over here to the right. You're going to start to see the tower through the trees. On a good clear day, you can see almost 20 miles from the top of the mountain.